Today we see big boxes, big fails, and another giveaway. Welcome back to the channel, welcome to the video, let's go. So as you see, we're back at the shop, and today's something special because we're gonna build in the parts that I bought in Japan, like the license plate number screws and of course the oil maintenance sticker that I bought at Autobox Sonoma. And as well we have a nice package from e-intake. So this is the e-intake system for the B58 Supra. We're gonna build this in immediately, or let's say Eric will build it in, and the idea behind that is after that placing again a mic in the engine bay and really show you the sound and behavior of the intake during the drive, okay? Because there's a lot of videos on the internet where you generally found the car itself filmed from the inside of the interior room, or on the outside, but the sound quality it's not the real one, okay? So what we do now is we're gonna build that one in. We're gonna show you of course the new engine bay in a second. Let me show you this one, and after that we're gonna do a little test drive. And of course we have Eric with us again, and first I'm gonna show you the engine bay. So as you remember, we did a lot of things, but this whole thing here will come out now, and I think we have to release the strut bars as well, otherwise I don't think we will work around that. And yeah, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start here. Happy to stay here to watch us, and let's go. Hi, sorry for interrupting the video. I currently figured out that over 70% of my viewers are not subscribed to the channel, so please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, it's for free, and it really will help us to reach our 5,000 followers goal in 2025. Saying that, thank you for watching, and now we're gonna jump back to the video. Cheers. I hope you like the impression from the Supra when we were building in the air intake. So what parts come next before we jump to another thing? So as you see, we're not in the shop anymore, we're back at the garage, and the reason for that is, yes, it's snowing outside. So between these things they're about probably 4 to 5 days now, and the weather changed and it's getting so cold in Germany, it really drives me nuts, okay? So next week there's the first day where it goes above 10 degrees, so I hope then spring final will come in. But with no further ado, I'm gonna show you now what we will build in today. So first off, we have the display frame from Rexpeed from carbon fiber, and look at that insane carbon quality. So big shout out to Rexpeed. Also we have the pin caps ring in carbon fiber. We will put them in as well. And also we have a protective film for our display in the Supra. Okay, so as you might know, there is a lot of stuff going on when you are touching on the display, and there's a lot of fat, dirt and stuff you don't want to actually have on the display. So this is more a protective film that really avoids these kind of stuff. It should avoid. We were gonna test it, we will see. If not, disc and set, you can remove it easily. That's not a problem at all. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put a camera in the car, I'm gonna light in the car as well, and then we're gonna install the stuff. All right. Okay. Fantastic. We're gonna put the water here a little bit. So, and what they now say is you're gonna take the fiber towel over the card and you're gonna squeeze the water out. Okay, and you see, you still can. Let me take the camera back here, so I hope you see it. Let me turn away the light. So as you see, it's still, yeah, we're gonna close that one. The touchpad is still working properly. Okay, so I think that's good, and that's really cool. So no fingerprints anymore on the display. Yep. Cool. Now I would say we're gonna do some last dry wipes with the deerskin card and the towel, and then we're gonna put a frame on it. So so sorry, but I want to show you the fails that I do or that happened to me as well, because what happened is when I did it the first time and I moved it and the whole fold went to the right. So what I missed out is keeping it at the point where I want to have it with a thumb or a finger or something else, and then wiping off the fluid. So if you gonna do that, don't make the same mistake. Okay, just don't do it. It's unnecessary and it costs time and it's not efficient, and as you know, I'm German and we love to be efficient. So the next thing is the carbon fiber frame. What fits perfectly, oh my god, look at that fitment. Oh my gosh, that's fantastic. Yeah, so when it comes in delivery, you have like small 3M blue stripes, and I'm gonna remove them now and we put it on. There we go. And now we're gonna make it fit perfectly. So, oh my gosh, look at this. We're gonna press it, give it a little press. And also again, we're gonna have a very soft towel. And we're gonna do the press with the towel so we don't have any fingerprints on the carbon. Look at this, that looks good. Let me move you guys up here. Look at that, that looks fantastic. See this? That's brilliant. Also, it matches perfectly with the other Rexpeed thing that we have, also with the carbon fiber in here, all with the steering wheel. And now we're gonna take care about these little guys. Okay, so sorry for not showing you how I mounted that one, but if you're gonna mount them, make sure you have both hands free, because you directly what you see, you need to make sure that it's directly centered to avoid that this pin is moving anywhere, right? But they're super stiff, it looks fantastic. Also the fitment you see here, there's not a hair that goes in between. Okay, so super fitment. Even from outside they look fantastic. Ah, carbonara pura supra. That's great, I love it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna install the other side, then I'm gonna show you the whole result, and catch you guys in a bit. Alright folks, so we did install the lock pins you see here. Let me just slide it correctly so you see it better. It's a very good quality. Okay, I really like it. Let me show you guys the other side of the car. Here you go as well. It looks fantastic. Okay, also, whoop, you see here the carbon fiber frame. Again, a huge and big thank you to Rexpeed for sending over the parts. I'm not sponsored by them. I do not get any discount codes or something else. I bought them there regularly, but I know why, because even if it was the steering wheel cover, if it was the display cover, if it was the sideline cover or the door pin cover, the quality of Rexpeed is simply fantastic. Okay, I really appreciate it. I'm gonna park it now the car, and then a good friend of mine is coming over, and we will discuss a bit more what happened to the intake that you guys saw earlier in the video. And as well, after that, we're gonna jump to the giveaway. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the little trip we had yesterday to Frankfurt. So the roads were snow free, so we decided to took the chance and had a little drive. Also, before we had a little meeting with the newbies guys, a little comment, more coming in future. Of course, without your guys' support, this all would not be the same. Okay, so really appreciate your support. Coming to the biggest topic, the intake. So for me it was a hard decision, but long story short, we removed the intake and put the stock one in place. The reason for this is pretty simple. I decided to go with the carbon fiber one. What that means is that it looked fantastic. Okay, here really looks dope, but so I have so much carbon fiber in the thing, and now we are in discussions with 2 other vendors if they're will build in a street legal version for Germany with a carbon fiber intake, or if not, then I'm gonna go with the Aventura in the future. Really fantastic. By the way, we did the test drive, as you see now. And yeah, the sound and everything was really good. Okay, don't get me wrong, it's nothing wrong with the intake. For me personally, I said I want to go with a carbon fiber one. What brings us to the next point, and that's a giveaway. So this time we're gonna give away one of the 2 air refreshers that I bought at Peaches Japan. What do you have to do for this? You have to be subscribed to YouTube, you have to be subscribed to Instagram, comment which mod I should do next for the Supra, and of course Do you prefer the black one or the white one? I will announce the winner in 3 weeks, and then we will make a handover. Also, some exciting news coming in the next episode. And with that said, thank you so much for every like, every comment, and every sub. And if you're not subscribed to the channel until that point, go hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, it's for free, and it really helps us to reach a goal of 5,000 followers. Saying that, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.